Here I have Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and let me show you how to enable here developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using here the home screen. Let's enable the list of all apps, choose settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose about phone, and here you need to find and select the software information. Let's here start tapping the build number, and as you can see, after 7 times the developer mode has been enabled. Let's go back, and here under about phone you should find developer options. Let's tap it. So here you can use the following developer features. For example, you can enable OEM Unlocking, you can also here enable USB Debugging and use other developer features such as view attribute inspection, select app to be debugged, and other stuff. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key. And everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.